What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So things are looking very strong for my dividend portfolios. The future is bright with my dividend portfolios. My dividend income and dividend investing journey continues. Again, I have a certain goal with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio to have $100,000 in my dividend portfolio. I have my E-Trade dividend portfolio with some play money, which I will start getting a lot bigger and bigger once M1 Finance starts really kicking in. And I want to show you how things are doing on Fundrise. So we got a little bit of a Fundrise Friday for you guys as well. So let's check these out right now. So let's start with Fundrise. Right now, my account is at $12,677.41. My long-term goal is to at least have a $100,000 dividend portfolio with Fundrise. So I will eventually start investing in Fundrise. Right now, a lot of my investments are heavy into M1 Finance, a little bit into my E-Trade portfolio, and just a little bit into crypto. So the dividends and appreciation are really kicking in for my M1 for my Fundrise portfolio. Right now, I have earned $2,377.42 on Fundrise. I have a total of $1,365.66 in appreciation. The E funds are really kicking in, so I'm going to go over that shortly. Dividends all time $1,030.23. So you notice that it's starting to get bigger. My account is starting to get bigger. I logged on earlier this morning and I made a total of like $19 since I last logged in. So you're seeing the power of compound interest and appreciation. And I really like the balanced portfolio because you get your appreciation, you get your dividends, and the dividends will start buying into the E fund. So the dividends are kind of funding the E fund. The E fund's kind of funding itself with the reinvestment, but that appreciation is really kicking in, and these things are just starting. So that's kind of what's exciting with my Fundrise portfolio. So let me just show you real quick the portfolio. It has a 28.1% fixed income, 13.2% core plus, 21.6% value add, and 37.1% opportunistic. So what does that mean? Okay, so the opportunistic is more of the, I'm pretty sure, you can quote me if I'm wrong. Don't quote me on this and fix me. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but the Fundrise E fund is what I'm really looking at. That's where I'm getting the appreciation on everything, as well as the interval fund. I'm starting to earn appreciation on that, and that's pretty exciting. So the E fund right here, I've earned $367.19 on appreciation, and it's just starting. So that's what's very exciting, is it's really not at full capacity yet, as well as this, where is it? The interval fund is just starting, and I've earned $6.71 in appreciation. So this is well balanced. This is somewhat aggressive on that side, and of course I'm getting dividends from my E-rates. Okay, I've earned basically $257 on some of these. Here's the growth one, and look at the appreciation I'm earning. So you're seeing dividends and appreciation. So that's what makes things very attractive with the balanced portfolio. Look at this E-rate. This is a new one that I haven't earned really anything. It looks like it's not even ramping up yet. But now you're seeing the allocation. This is why I probably need to start putting more money in, into these portfolios, because these E-rates and E funds are really going to start doing some damage. One, because of appreciation, and two, because of dividends. So sure, I have $12,000, but if I had more, look at how bigger and how powerful Fundrise will be. So if you are interested in signing up on Fundrise, I have my affiliate link in the comment section. I just really wanted to show you guys how things are growing with Fundrise. Then I'm going to jump to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio right now. I actually had to redo this video earlier because I couldn't get into M1 Finance. It appears that there was a lot of like they're doing some maintenance or something. But M1 Finance right now, they also have a special for if you sign up, you earn $30. You get $30. I get $30. I'll post my affiliate link in the section, and basically this is the bread and butter right now. My goal is to get to 100,000 and really start ramping things up with this, because once I flip this, 15, 20 years, this is treated as a retirement pension. So this dividend portfolio has a serious amount of potential, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger. So that's what's exciting about the Death Star and how things are running. And you can tell my voice is getting back. Who knows? Maybe I'd, my allergies or something, but I feel a lot better. And my eyes would literally like get itchy the moment I walked outside. The apartment complex. It's got to be the pollen. I mean, I'm not even allergic to pollen. But I've earned $691.48 in dividends. Even better, look at my recent activity. So I did buy RYLD today. Unilever gave me a dividend of $3.91 minus 3 because of the pass-through fee. ExxonMobil gave me $9.80. Pfizer gave me $9.27. So each week I'm throwing about $60 or $75. I'm probably going to start getting a little bit more aggressive because I am going to pull back a little bit on the crypto. I'm not going to be as aggressive as I was with crypto. Again, I just want a small percentage of crypto. I thought, I could get the dip. Every time I put money in with a dip, it would dip even more. I'm like, you got to be kidding me. But, it is what it is. But this is what I need is these dividends start kicking in. So look at my positions right now. I have Iron Mountain, I have 60 shares, LTC Properties 47, Verizon 28.2, Pfizer I have 24. Remember when I was telling you guys, as you look at my previous videos, or if you've watched my previous videos, once I start getting to 25 shares in a lot of these stocks, that's when the damage is going to start kicking in. So I'm really excited to see these dividend stocks start distributing dividends so I can start really ramping up this dividend portfolio, because it'll be a lot easier and a lot faster to get to 100,000 if these guys are bigger, stronger, and distributing dividends. So right now, 24 shares. Remember when I said when I start getting to 25 in all these shares, that's when it's really gonna start. I'm telling you, what in all of these, if I get to 25 in each of them, that's going to be the game changers. And then if I get to 50, man, you're going to start seeing some dividends flowing. So Omega Health Investors, I reached 25. Altria, I'm almost at 25. B&G Foods, I'm at 25. Spirit Realty Capital, I'm at 16. Exxon, I'm at 13. UVV, I'm at 13.4. First Energy, 19. I backed off a little bit. They will increase their dividend over time, but I really need to start focusing on these other stocks. Coca-Cola, I'm at 13 shares. WestRock at 12. May sell them, I'm not sure, but they are increasing their dividend, and I don't know if I can keep up with these guys yet. Enbridge, I'm at 16. British American Tobacco, 15. PBA, monthly dividend stock. Pembina Pipeline, 19.02 shares. QYLD, I got 27. XYLD, I got 12. Agree Realty Corporation, which I consider the rival to Realty Income, I'm at 8.69 shares. BIP Brookfield Infrastructure, 11.46. Unilever, I kind of backed off on. That's, I'll eventually start buying more, but I put a smaller percentage on it. I love that stock though. RYLD, I'm at 9 shares. And Office Properties, I'm at 6. HTA at 6. BPY, 10.37. Plymouth Industrial Rate at 9. Physicians Realty Trust at 9.44. BCE, that's a very good one. I did a video on that. Check out my previous videos in the communication sector. MPW, I'm at 8 shares. Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund. If I can get to 100 at least on Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund that distributes a monthly dividend, I can really start doing some damage. So I really need to start adding more to this one. TELUS, AT&T, again, I did rebuy AT&T. Once I get back to, those 25 shares. Watch out. I know they're probably going to decrease their dividend over time, but still there's a ton of potential with that. And then next is LUMN Technologies. I don't know if that one's going to increase its dividend over time, but it has a very nice dividend yield. So you're seeing a lot of firepower right now with this M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Again, I backed off. I'm going to add more to this. Monthly rates, ETFs is LTC. I'm going to change a percentage in that eventually. I just need to lower it a lot more. Communication sector, Verizon, I lowered it for right now, but obviously I'm going to increase a percentage once I start getting these ones a lot bigger. BCE, TELUS, AT&T, and Lumen. Got the super rate. I'm probably going to drop that to 3 or 4%. MPW, Doc, Plymouth, Brookfield, Healthcare Trust of America, and OPI. I got the BDC monthly dividends, ADC, and Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund. So eventually I'm probably going to add more to these and even it out. But right now I need to get Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund up there so that I can start distributing more monthly dividend stocks. Same with PBA, QYLD, XYLD, and RYLD. So we're going to jump to the E-Trade dividend portfolio. And this one's kind of the play money. I have a lot more in the E-Trade dividend portfolio, but once I start racking up some serious dividends with the Death Star, I'm going to go back to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. But I'm going to show you my E-Trade dividend portfolio right now. So for this one, again, I have a goal, a long-term goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends, which is very rational compared to some people who have huge dividend portfolios. There's no way I can keep up with some of those. But let me just show you. SLVO is a cover call ETN. Energy Transfer is a quarterly dividend stock. Gain is a business development company, which is doing very well. I have 161 shares, and believe me, I'm almost buying a new share each month, which is very exciting with the compound interest. I'm up 40% on this one. I think it's going to take each month, I think every 2 months, I'm going to buy a new share now because it's just jumped up so much. Arbor Realty Trust, this is a M rate, which I think blows the water out of AGNC stock. I just posted a video about AGNC and Prospect Capital being dividend yield traps or yield traps. You might want to check that out because you're going to see why Arbor Realty Trust is much better than AGNC. If you compare them on their price, Arbor is going up, AGNC is kind of going down over time, and the dividends increase with Arbor, and the dividends decrease with AGNC. So that's one thing that you need to keep an eye on. KeyBank is doing very well. I'm up 77%. Wendy's, again, I posted a video on that stock. If these kids get this to like $300 a share and they're trying to do a pump and dump or whatever they're trying to do to manipulate the market, I will sell it if it goes really high. But right now, I love this as a dividend stock, and I'm just going to leave it as is. So, huge growth potential. I really think. I mean, they're planning on distributing 8,000 or having 8,000 fast food chain restaurants, getting bigger. Their menu is fantastic. A lot of people like them over McDonald's, and they're a lot cheaper. So McDonald's is a lot. I mean, McDonald's is a very good dividend stock, but Wendy's is cheaper and it's increasing its dividend over time. Land is a monthly dividend stock. It's doing very well. Newell Brands, I probably need to buy more of that. Carnival, I got the dip big time. I'm just waiting to reinvest those dividends once it starts distributing dividends again. I'm very excited for that. Franklin Resources, I got them very down during the pandemic, and I'm just going to let those things reinvest and go from there. Could I sell it and throw it in M1 Finance? That could be a possibility, but I like the way things are going, and I'm just going to continue to reinvest the dividends and just let it sit there. STOR Capital, things are looking very well. Conagra Brands, things are strong. STAG, I'm at 55 shares. Things are looking very good with STAG. I'll show you the expected dividend income shortly. Main Street Capital, things are looking good. I bought this one during the dip, WPC Carry, NHI during the dip, and EPR, I cannot wait. I bought it when it was way down. When the pandemic hit, they are not distributing their monthly dividend stocks right now. They're not distributing it, but I cannot wait because eventually they will. Once things open up, and there's a huge article on Johnson & Johnson with the efficacy of the vaccine. I may post another video on Johnson & Johnson this weekend. Don't quote me on that, but I'm very excited to see Johnson & Johnson do well as a stock and the potential of the stock and its growth. Main Street Capital, a great business development company. I am very hesitant in investing in business development companies, but Main and Gain are my two business development companies that distribute monthly dividends. Remember, if they don't pay the investors a certain percentage, they're in big trouble. So remember, business development companies and rates, they have to distribute a certain percentage back to investors or they're in big trouble. So that's what they have to do by law. Let me show you my estimated income and my dividends that are going to be kicking in. Right now, I have an estimated income of $1,170.96. Once I get to $10,000, the sky is going to be the limit. So I do want to at least get an estimated income of $10,000 in the long run. And I think that's a high possibility with a lot of these stocks. Reinvesting the dividends over time, 15, 20 years, flip it, boom. I mean, I'm 35 right now, and there's a ton of potential with a lot of these stocks. Main Street Capital, I'm earning, or KeyBank, I'm earning $857 quarterly. Main, $1359 monthly. Newell Brands, $569. Realty Income, I'm at 100 shares. Estimated income, $23.61. So O hasn't jumped up significantly, which is good compared to Agree Realty Corporation. I'm pretty sure Agree is a little bit more expensive than O, but O has the dividend. So that's the thing that's very attractive with it. STAG, I'm earning $6.71. Wendy's, almost $4. SLVO, the covered call ETN, $2.36. Gain, $11.32. So look at this. The compound interest will kick in with Gain. I mean, if I buy 10 more shares, imagine how much I can be earning from this business development company. LAN is slowly increasing its dividend with 63 shares. Estimated income, $284. Franklin Resources, BEN, $869. Nice distribution rate per share, 28 cents. Look at Maine, $13.59. Things are looking good with that. And then we're going back down. WPC Carry, 22 expected, 22.33. NHI, 23.49, which will be reinvested. So you're seeing the power of compound interest. So let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I wanted to show you how things are looking on my Fundrise, on my E-Trade, and my M1 Fundrise, E-Trade, and M1 Finance dividend portfolio. The future is bright with this dividend portfolio. Again, reinvesting the dividends is key. That's what I really wanted to show you guys, is reinvesting, putting money in, letting the drip kick in, and letting the compound interest kick in. So you guys take care and have a good one. And again, my affiliate links are there. Make sure you smash that like button. And again, if you are new to this channel, I show you everything I buy. I do free stock and dividend analysis videos on you guys. Everything's free. So you can either take advantage of this. This is for entertainment purposes. I am not a financial advisor, but I show you everything I like. Stocks that I believe in, stocks that I own, I show you everything. So it's your choice. Again, all I ask you to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and enjoy the ride. You guys take care. Have a good Friday.